How to delete comment history on TikTok. First of all, head over to your application TikTok and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal line at the top right corner. Head over to Settings and Privacy. Inside the section of Content and Display, move into Comment and Watch History. Tap on Comment History. It will show you all the comments that you have made on TikTok. But the one thing you should know that you cannot delete all of this comment history at once. You have to delete it manually. Tap on one of the videos that you have commented. It will directly show you the comment that you have made on this post. In order to delete this, tap and hold the comment that you have made. The option of delete will be visible to you. Tap on it. There you go, the comment has been deleted successfully. Likewise, you need to delete all of this comment one by one. You just have to do the similar process and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is the way on how to delete your comment history on TikTok. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.